Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about the groups component of the inbox section. On the left hand side you'll find the inbox option, just click on that. Here we have the different subsections. In the inbox section you can manage all the bots conversation, you can manage all your orders, you can manage all your leads or contacts, and you can manage all the groups. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now let us discuss about the group section. You can group your leads based on the demographics or their interest. Groups can be used in creating broadcasts. To create a new group, you have to click on the Create Group button here. Here you have to enter the group name. For a demo purpose, I am entering this name. And you can filter your contacts for this group. You can apply filter based on bots, tags, status, or any of these options. For example, I am creating this group for the bot 1. So I'll select that and I'll apply the filter. And then you have to click on the Create Group button. As you can see, the new group has been created here. You can see the list of all the groups that you have created till now on this page. Here you can see the total number of contacts in that particular group. Here you can take any of these actions, that is, you can edit the group, or you can download the group, or you can even delete the group from this option. To search for any group, you can search the group name here. So that was all for the groups component of the inbox section. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.